Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I share my tips and tricks on how to make money online. Today, I want to share with you how I made $1,500 in just 1 week with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. It's a type of marketing where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. So how did I make $1,500 in just 1 week? Well, it all starts with choosing the right niche. I focused on a niche that I was passionate about, and that had a high demand for products. Once I found my niche, I researched and found the best affiliate programs to promote. Next, I created valuable content related to my niche, such as blog posts, videos, and social media posts. I made sure to include my affiliate links in my content so that my audience could easily purchase the products I was promoting. To increase my earnings, I also utilized email marketing. I created a lead magnet, which is a free resource that people can download in exchange for their email address. I then sent out regular newsletters that included my affiliate links. Lastly, I tracked my results using analytics to see which products were selling the most and which marketing methods were working best. This allowed me to optimize my strategies and increase my earnings even more. Now, how you can easily earn money by affiliate marketing. So here are some tips for you. 1. Choose the right affiliate programs. Make sure to do your research and find affiliate programs that offer high commissions and have products that are relevant to your niche. 2. Focus on quality content. To attract more visitors and increase conversions, create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. This will help build trust and establish you as an authority in your niche. 3. Build an email list. As I mentioned earlier, email marketing is a great way to promote your affiliate products and increase your earnings. Make sure to collect email addresses from your website visitors and send regular newsletters that include your affiliate links. 4. Promote your content. To get more eyes on your affiliate links, make sure to promote your content on social media, forums, and other online communities where your target audience hangs out. 5. Test and optimize. Keep track of your results and test different strategies to see what works best. This can help you optimize your campaigns and increase your earnings over time. Remember, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and effort to build a successful affiliate marketing business. However, with the right strategies and persistence, it's definitely possible to make a great income online. So there you have it, guys. That's how I made $1,500 in just 1 week with affiliate marketing. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.